We're going to walk through one-on-one check-ins and how you can conduct these with your students. So the first idea is those in-person meetups with your students. And so when it comes to checking in, this could be a quick 2-minute chat with your student. It could be a 5-minute data chat. It could also be a small group. So this first idea is students have this Google Doc. And what they do on this Google Doc is they sign up for a time that you have listed. They put their name and then they can add a question, or if they have feedback, they can add any of that information. If you are wanting to meet via virtual, you can add the Google Meet link here. If not, you can delete that. And again, you can just call students up as they sign up for their time slot. Another idea is to use a Google document where students can sign up with groups. So again, you might put the topic here, and then the students would put in their names if they want to sign up for that group. So maybe you say working on the intro. Students can all go in and they are able to sign up for whatever they would like to do. Another idea is using maybe a spreadsheet. So again, similar to the Google Doc, just a different look. You can write what they need assistance with, and then students, again, can sign up to meet with you small group to go over that lesson. You could also pull students one-on-one and just kind of quickly tag them off. Or again, you could just quickly meet with them, whole group, small group, to get those questions answered. Another way is using Classroom Q. Classroom Q is a website, and on this website, students can type in a code, and once you have it set up, they can click that they need assistance. So it's kind of like waiting at the BMV, and students grab a number, and they wait in line for that until it's their turn. So again, Classroom Q right here, and we can have the students go in with that class code, and then they're able to sign up to meet with you, and then you're able to quickly cross them off as they meet with you. After Classroom Q, maybe you do a waiting room. So similar to Classroom Q, but this is more physical. Students will grab a clip, and then they would wait until their number is called. So serving now 1, serving 2, 3, and you can just quickly call up the different students that you're now serving. But again, they're able to grab a physical item, take it back to their desk, and wait until their number is called. And that is how you could do another way to check in with your students. Another idea is video feedback. So now we're kind of getting back to giving students feedback, and you can record using Screencastify, Loom, WeVideo. Any of those links will work, and if you need help using those, feel free to reach out. But again, you're able to record with your voice and talking about different things that your students did, and then they can go back and they could do an error analysis on what they missed, and they could make those corrections and explain why and what corrections they made to correct their work. Another idea is maybe using audio. So like Mote, maybe you use like a read and write. You can also use stickers to give back feedback as well, where you use your Bitmoji or badges, or you can create your digital stickers. So again, all of these different ways to check in with students one-on-one. But in your personalized classroom, you will want some type of way to check one-on-one or small group with your students. So think of a system that's going to work with you. And I've also seen teachers with Google Calendar. You are now able to set up appointment schedules. So you can go in and you can hit next, and you can talk when you want this to happen, and you can kind of decide when you want to meet with your students. So appointment schedules are another way that you're able to meet with your students. But again, create that operating procedure for how you want your students to do this. It's going to make your year run even smoother when you are ready to check in with students.